the holiday season brings with it an undeniable sense of warmth, nostalgia, and wonder. Central to this feeling is the Christmas tree, a timeless symbol of joy and togetherness. In every home, the tree becomes more than just decor, it's the heart of celebration, glowing with light and cherished memories. In this narrative for Decorasri, we'll explore how to style a Christmas tree that radiates beauty and harmony, while also blending seamlessly with your home decor. From selecting the perfect theme to balancing ornaments and lighting, these home decorating ideas will help you create a truly stunning holiday centerpiece. Every great holiday design starts with the tree itself. Whether you prefer a grand, full-bodied fir or a minimalist faux option, the key is to choose one that complements your space. Measure your ceiling height and surrounding furniture to ensure perfect proportion. For smaller rooms, consider a slim or pencil tree that adds vertical drama without overwhelming. The right size tree not only enhances flow, but also sets the tone for a balanced holiday look. Before decorating, define a theme that ties everything together. Whether you're drawn to rustic farmhouse charm, luxurious metallic glamour, or playful candy-inspired whimsy, having a clear theme keeps your design cohesive. Choose a color palette, perhaps gold and ivory for elegance, or red and green for tradition. This visual consistency will help your tree harmonize beautifully with the rest of your holiday decor. The colors you choose are the soul of your Christmas design. A mix of warm and cool tones can create visual depth and evoke a particular mood. For instance, deep emeralds and burgundy offer richness, while icy blues and silvers feel serene and sophisticated. Add texture through matte, glossy, and glitter finishes for dimension. A balanced color palette ensures your tree feels curated, not cluttered. Lighting transforms your Christmas tree into a glowing centerpiece. Start by wrapping lights from the trunk outward, weaving them evenly among the branches. Choose warm white bulbs for a classic glow or soft color-changing options for a modern twist. Layering lights at different depths gives your tree a radiant, three-dimensional sparkle that enhances every ornament and garland draped upon it. Garlands and ribbons bring flow and texture to your design. For a polished look, weave ribbons diagonally around the tree, letting them cascade naturally. Mix materials like velvet, mesh, or satin to add depth. If using garlands, alternate between natural greenery, metallic beads, or delicate paper chains to complement your chosen theme. This layer creates movement and elegance from every angle. The art of ornament placement defines the personality of your tree. Combine large statement ornaments with smaller filler ones for visual rhythm. Balance textures, smooth glass with rustic wood, or shiny metallics with soft felt. Distribute ornaments evenly around the tree, avoiding clusters that feel heavy. Each ornament should have its moment to shine, contributing to a harmonious whole. A stunning holiday tree doesn't have to be impersonal. Incorporate ornaments that hold meaning, family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or travel souvenirs. These personal touches transform your Christmas tree from mere decor into a story of your family's traditions and journeys. The combination of style and sentiment creates warmth that guests will instantly feel. Don't neglect the base, it's the foundation of your festive display. A lush faux fur tree skirt adds softness and luxury, while a woven basket or wooden crate creates a rustic appeal. Choose a style that complements your theme, whether cozy or modern. Adding wrapped presents or decorative boxes around the base completes the look, grounding your tree in holiday charm. The topper crowns your Christmas masterpiece. Whether it's a classic star, a shimmering angel, or an avant-garde floral arrangement, your topper sets the tone for the entire design. For a more modern twist, try layered picks or oversized bows. Make sure it's proportional to your tree's size. Balanced elegance is key to creating a cohesive, finished appearance. Bringing nature indoors adds authenticity and texture. Use pine cones, dried orange slices, or sprigs of eucalyptus to give your tree an organic touch. These elements blend beautifully with both rustic and modern aesthetics, creating depth and fragrance. Natural materials also enhance the cozy, earthy ambience that makes your space feel inviting during the winter season. Blend tradition with modernity for a timeless look. Try pairing vintage ornaments with sleek metallics or clear glass baubles. The juxtaposition creates intrigue and keeps your decor feeling fresh yet familiar. This mix also allows your Christmas tree to reflect evolving design trends while honoring cherished holiday customs, a perfect balance for contemporary homes. For those seeking a bold statement, explore unexpected hues. Shades like blush pink, navy blue, or even black can create a modern, luxurious vibe. Pair these tones with metallic accents for elegance. Non-traditional palettes are a creative way to express individuality and make your home's holiday look stand out while still feeling festive and stylish. A visually stunning tree becomes truly magical when paired with sensory details. Surround your space with the scent of pine, cinnamon, or vanilla using candles or diffusers. Play soft holiday tunes to complete the experience. These sensory layers elevate your design beyond the visual, immersing your home in the full spirit of the season. Styling your Christmas tree is more than decoration, it's about crafting a centerpiece that reflects joy, warmth, and creativity. Through thoughtful layering, cohesive color palettes, and personal touches, your home becomes a haven of festive beauty. Whether your style leans classic or contemporary, these home decorating ideas from Decorasri will help you create a holiday centerpiece that captures the magic of the season and fills every heart with wonder.